So if you're looking for a very budget Windows laptop, I got this one which I would love to unbox with you guys, and this is the ACER Aspire what? Aspire 3A314-32 series, which is a very budget laptop which you can get for under $300.
Yeah, boy.
And it is really nice, and it's okay. So we're going to talk about everything which I know for now, talk about the specifications, and finally we are unboxing this. As you can see, so basically it took me some while to be able to unbox this. It was kind of difficult, so we'll just keep and fast forward all to the way where we got the laptop at hand.
Got it!
So this is the laptop. Let's bring that out, and also let's check what else into the box. So to the side we got a 45 watts cable and the brick which is used to power this bad boy. It's not the best out there because of it doesn't use any AMD or any large processor. It used the Intel from Pentium Sliver N5030, so it's not a very high processor, but it's really nice. And yeah, let's quickly unbox the last one and see. As I'm seeing this, it looks black. Yeah, the color is black, and man, this design is slick. I love the way they did this, like a marblish. I don't understand, like this gradient at the top. It has some ports to the sides, and we'll get there in a few moments to talk about it. First of all, let's open the laptop to see what is inside. Damn it, this laptop looks sexy.
You serious?
I must say it's really nice. We got some paperwork and covering, let's take that out. And wow, look at that keyboard. Fine, it doesn't have side numbers like the way my normal laptop looks like, but because it's a 14-inch display, I don't expect more. Yeah, it has a webcam and the screen is okay. It's really nice. It smells new and it's okay. So let's quickly check the ports. So now we got HDMI and a normal USB by the side, and this has SD cards on it, and it's really pretty lightweight. To the other side we got your power input and two other USB. So it has two USB 2.0 and one 3.0 USB to the side, and it's okay. So let's boot this baby up. Actually it was out of juice, so I had to plug it, and yeah, it took me some time before I could go through all the notifications and everything. So that's pretty much everything for the unboxing. If you like it, you can click in the link in the description below to get one for yourself. It's actually good for students. I would not recommend it for anybody into editing, into any large job, but browsing the web, a little gameplay can be useful, but not high gameplay like Call of Duty or Warfare or any pod mobile or any large games files won't support this, because it's just 128 gigabytes of storage, and also it's the processor is not really that nice, and yeah, the speed is 1.1, that is the gigabyte speed, so it's not that fast, but you can use turbo which can reach 3.1, and also the RAM is not that big, it's just 4 gig of RAM and 8 gig of maximum storage if you want to insert or want to put any other thing inside. So I guess you can plug your HDMI cable to it, and the screen resolution is 1366 by 768 resolution, so it's not a touchscreen display. And also the graphics card inside is the Intel HD Graphics 605, which is not the best out there, but it's okay, it's nice. It supports wireless connection. It has a webcam which is 640 by 480 resolution, and yeah, I think that is all you have to know. It has a what's called an headphone jack, a network what's it called, I think a LAN connector port, and it has a big battery, which is a 35-watt battery, which kind of lasts me for around 7 hours. Yeah, when I was just watching movie, because I tried to edit and it was just hanging, like really hanging. The footage didn't play as well, but yeah, I think that's all for it. And you'll see the review video with my face in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.